Most people think AI is just a magic button, but the truth is 90% of people are using it wrong. They get generic robotic answers because they don't know the secret language of prompting. But if you master just specific hacks here, you'll turn Chat GPT into a world-class employee that works for you for free. You're wasting 20 hours getting generic, boring answers from Chat GPT that sound like a robot wrote them. You're spending money on prompt packs that don't actually work for your specific business or role. You're feeling left behind as other people seem to be 100 times more productive while you're still struggling to get simple emails written. In this video, I'm revealing ChatGPT hacks I've mastered over the past 6 years in the AI trenches, from master prompts to simulated expert technique that will instantly put you at the top 90% of AI users. You'll create a master prompt that makes ChatGPT know you better than your best friend, delivering personalized results each and every time. You learn how to clone your own writing style so you'll never have to edit AI-generated text again. You'll discover how to turn ChatGPT into a world-class consultant like a lawyer or a marketer for free, saving you thousands in consulting fees. And the seventh hack I share is my personal all-time favorite. It allows you to upload any PDF or book and chat with it to extract specific answers in seconds, saving you hours of reading time. Most people treat ChatGPT like a total stranger. They type in a vague question like, write me an email, and they get a vague, useless response. This leads to frustration. You'll think AI isn't all that good, so you stop using it. Meanwhile, your competition is using it correctly to do the work of 1,000 people. You aren't failing because the tool is bad. You're failing because you haven't introduced yourself to it. When I first started, I was the same. I'd ask ChatGPT to write a blog post, and I'd give me this generic, fluffy garbage. I spent more time editing it than if I had just written it myself. But I almost gave up on it, but then I realized it's not the tool, it's the operator. I needed to give it context. By using these hacks, you'll stop treating ChatGPT like a search engine and start treating it like a highly trained executive assistant. You can use these hacks whether you're a CEO, founder, freelancer, student, or just someone trying to organize their everyday life. It works for writing code, planning trips, building business strategies. Imagine having a team of experts, a copywriter, a strategist, a coder, a researcher available to you for the price of a McDonald's Happy Meal. That is what these hacks unlock. You become a company of one with output of a total corporation. Now, I know what you might be thinking. I don't want to pay for ChatGPT Pro. I know spending hundreds of dollars a month feels annoying, but if you think about it, it's cheaper than one lunch out. If this tool saves you even 1 hour of work per week, it has paid for itself. If you're serious about getting ahead, this is the highest ROI investment you can ever make. You can't compete with a Ferrari if you're driving a bicycle. Or maybe you're thinking prompts are too complicated to learn. People will charge you a lot of money to write prompts for you, which makes it seem hard. It's really not. One of my hacks literally shows you how to ask ChatGPT to write its own prompt. You don't need to be a prompt engineer. You need to know how to talk to it. And finally, you might worry, AI content always sounds fake. I hear this all the time. That is only true if you use the default settings. It's specifically about style cloning. You can easily feed ChatGPT all your old emails so it learns your voice. Once you do this, nobody, not even your spouse, will be able to tell the difference. I run an AI marketing company and I have 25 people. We generate tons of content. I used to spend my weekends rewriting my team's drafts because they didn't sound like me. I was the bottleneck. I decided to create a master clone prompt for my role. I sat down and dictated everything about my business, my tone, my audience, my goals into ChatGPT. I told it, this is who I am, never ever forget this. Now, whenever I start a new chat, it already knows the context. I don't have to explain, hey, I'm the founder of CRM Pros, or my audience is entrepreneurs. It already knows this. It saved me about 3 hours a week explaining the same things over and over and over. It was like cloning myself. So let's dive into the hacks that will put you in the top 10%. This is a short version of the master prompt. This is a document of all your preferences. It's like a user manual for you. Instead of typing it out, use voice mode. Say, I'm the founder and my audience is entrepreneurs. My revenue model is XYZ. Create a master prompt for me. Then paste that into your custom instructions located in settings in Chat GPT, and Chat GPT will never forget who you are. Every answer is tailored to you specifically. This is the simulated expert prompt. Chat GPT is a generalist. You need to force it to be a specialist. Don't ask, how do I negotiate a salary? Act like a Harvard negotiation professor with 25 years of negotiation experience. Give me a script to negotiate my salary. The quality of advice jumps from generic blog posts to expert consultation. Let's talk style cloning, the analyze writing hack. Stop sounding like a robot. Teach it your voice. Paste as many of your best emails into ChatGPT as you can and say, analyze the tone, sentence structure, and vocabulary of this writing. Create a style guide based on all of this. Then tell it to use that style guide for all future writings. You can generate emails, tweets, scripts that sound exactly like you do. The next hack is create a table hack. Text is hard to read. Tables are very easy to read. When researching software ideas, say, compare these CRM tools in a table. Columns should be price, key features, pros, cons, etc. You can analyze complex data in seconds instead of reading different websites. Then we have the critic mode. We all have blind spots. We use AI to find those blind spots. Paste your business idea or your email draft and say, hey, ChatGPT, roast this. Tell me why it will fail. Be ultra harsh on me. It acts like a brutally honest co-founder helping you fix holes in your logic before you go public. How about prompt generator hack? Stop trying to guess the perfect prompt. Let AI do it for you. Say, I want to write a sales page for a dog walking service, as an example. Ask me 20 questions to help you write the best prompt for this task. It'll interview you and get the perfect context, then write a prompt that's better than ever you could ask. Lastly, but not least, is the chat with documents, the knowledge retrieval hack. Stop reading boring PDFs, upload a 100-page industry report or contract and say, summarize the biggest risks of this contract. What are the key trends in this report? You digest information so much faster than your peers. Jensen Huang, CEO of NVIDIA, said, everyone is just a programmer now. You just have to speak to the computer. He means that the barrier to entry is gone. You don't need to know C++ or Python. You just need to know plain English or your native language and how to structure your thoughts. These hacks are your programming language. If you master them, you can build literally anything. If you want to stop being average and start using AI like a pro, share this video with a friend who's still scared of ChatGPT. Help them wake up. Hit that like button if you're going to try that master prompt hack today. And subscribe for more practical AI strategies that will actually make you money. I'm working on another video. It's called The Tech Stack for AI Agencies, where I break down the exact tools I use to run my entire company. You don't want to miss that one, I'm telling you right now. And speaking of tools, if you want to apply these AI hacks to your business automation, you need a platform that supports this. I happen to use Go HighLevel because it lets me integrate these custom AI prompts directly into my customer workflows. I've arranged for you an extended 30-day trial in place of the standard 14 if you hit the link in the description. It comes with my bonuses, which include pre-built prompts for sales, support, appointment booking, and of course, my coaching and access to my exclusive school community. Just don't play with AI in a chat window. Let's build it into your business. Click the link, get the trial, and let's get to work. Let me give you a quick disclaimer. First of all, I'm not trying to fool anyone here. AI is a tool, not replacement for a human judgment. Always review the output before sending it. Your results will also vary depending on how you apply these strategies. I look forward to seeing you guys in the school community, and thank you so much for watching the video.